1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Track 3, Unit 1, Period 1, Activity 1. Listen and find.
Hi, I'm Salwa. What's your name?
My name's Haifa.
Hi, I'm Amir. What's your name?
My name's Adam.
Activity 2. Listen and say.
Hi, I'm... What's your name? My name's...
Activity 3. Listen and say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Write W M L 1. My name's Amir. 2. I'm Tala. 3. I'm Salwa. 4. My name's Sammy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Unit 1, Period 3 and Period 4. Language presentation.
Jamila, how old are you?
I'm 5.
Jamila is a girl. How old is she? She's 5. Sammy, how old are you?
I'm 8.
Sammy is a boy. How old is he? He's 8.
Unit 1, Period 3, Activity 1. Listen and find.
I'm 7. How old are you, Salwa? I'm 8.
I'm 8. How old are you, Adam?
I'm 8 too.
Haifa, how old is she? She's 7. Salwa. How old is she? She's 8. Adam. How old is he? He's 8. Amir. How old is he? He's 8 too.
Listen and say.
I'm. How old are you? I'm.
Listen and say.
How old is Haifa? She's 7. How old is Salwa? She's 8. How old is Adam? He's 8. How old is Amir? He's 8 too.
Circle and write. 1. I'm 6. Boy. 2. I'm 8. Girl. 1. He's 7. Boy. She's 5. Girl. 2. Circle.
Language presentation.
Who's that girl?
That's Jamila.
Who's that boy?
That's Sammy.
Listen and find.
Who's that girl?
That's Tala. She's my friend.
How old is she?
She's 8. Who's that boy?
That's Sammy. He's my friend.
How old is he?
He's 8.
Listen and say.
Who's that girl?
That's Tala. She's my friend.
How old is she?
She's 8. Who's that boy?
That's Sammy. He's my friend.
How old is he?
He's 8.